Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp profile info connecting problem so you can update your profile without any issues. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. Poor Wi-Fi or mobile data can prevent WhatsApp from updating your profile information. Next, check if WhatsApp has the necessary permissions. To do that, go to your settings app, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps. After that, find WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure it has access to the internet and storage. Another important step is to restart WhatsApp or even restart your phone. Sometimes, temporary glitches can be fixed simply by closing the app completely and reopening it. If the problem persists, try clearing WhatsApp cache. For that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Now, find WhatsApp from the list of apps and tap on it. After that, tap on Offload app. Then, reinstall it from the same screen. This refreshes the app without deleting your chat data. Finally, ensure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated versions may have bugs causing this issue. And that's all. By following these steps, your WhatsApp profile information should connect and update properly.